So now I will hack my old mod into a spare cannon. We will need some parts like this. A piece of wood, old mechanical mode include the battery, pipe screw I get from all disposable LTA, tiny nichrome wire, thick wire, some toothpick, match, and 2 pieces of screw. First, you must drill hole right there on the wood. Drill until this limit. Add enough hard glue for strongest wood. Like this. After that, insert the nichrome wire right there and set the screw. Next, take off the pipe screw like this. And solder that like this instruction. Grab the 5/10 screw connector again. Grab like this. After that, combine this 5/10 screw to the wood with hot glue. The last, just connect this wire to the screw. Yeah. We just need the top. Try this step. Set that to your mode. Don't forget to insert the battery. Insert the match further enough. Don't too much. Also the toothpick. Turn on and let's test it. Wow. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.